what's house? Welcome back to my channel. We're here with the guys right now here, and guess what we're doing? We're playing some soccer.
Soccer player today.
That's right over there.
They hear me?
Yeah, I hope so.
Nathan becomes a soccer player today.
We got Nurse over here kicking some balls. Uh-oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy coming. Whoa, 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 I got sandals on. Because this is what you do when you come play soccer. That's perfect. That's right to him. Oh. 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 Oh, that was a good one. That was right to him. Perfect. All right, so come from this side. All right, he's coming in from this side. Ooh, ooh. Is that right? Dude, that was perfect. Good job, man.
You got another move for this game? Huh? Alright. I'm gonna think of a different one. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh! You take it this way?
Oh, it was like a fake.
Yeah. It's like a crossover, you know?
Yeah. Ooh.
Crossover right here.
Ooh. Ooh. It was the wrong way, but... Yeah. Come on, bud.
Take a knee. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna show you guys the soccer player's high five right here. Just stick your hand out like this. You know, you go in a line, you're like...
Oh, so you just like...
They come here to Nurse, you go...
That's perfect. That's how they do it?
Good game. That's it.
Oh! That would have been bad.
Dude, you trying to kill your camera?
That would have been bad.
I think soccer practice is over.
We just finished playing some soccer. It's good to be out there again. You know, the memories. Came out of retirement. So yeah, there we go. Perfect. Creepy vibes.
Yeah, when we go one, we go all.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yo guys, what's hops? We just made it to Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive, groovy vibes. Yeah, favorite place. We got the guys here. What's up, guys? Look at the guys. Got the friendly guys. All right, so let's get up there, guy. All right. Well, guys, we just made it, and I gotta say, it is really hot out here and popping. There's so many people. It's like a normal day out here. Back to, you know, back to the good old days. Really nice to see that, guys, honestly. Really dig it a lot. Wow, look at that. That C8 looked crazy. Like, what even was that? It was like all types of colors, huh? What do you see that? What is that? Seriously?
I don't know what to call it.
Oh, man.
I don't know what the name would be.
That wing was huge. It sounded really good, but I don't know about the color. I mean,
I'm trying to use that C8
I don't know.
I use that C8 to eat my in and out on the wing.
Yeah, that's crazy. That is something else. Wow. Look, C8. Oh, we don't want that. Such a blessing today because we saw two now. So, honestly, guys, it is a good day. It is a good day. Groovy vibes all the way.
Slingshot, dude.
The slingshot? What? Oh my god, slingshot. Look at slingshot. Look at slingshot. You like this? You like it? You like that? He's like, thank you, sir.
He didn't know whether to like say thank you or like get mad at
Yeah.
first, but then I threw up the piece and he was okay with it.
You thought you were making fun of him, huh?
I mean, I wasn't.
Yeah,
really, but,
I know.
But like for him, it's
Yeah.
okay. Like he can think it was like nice.
That's funny. Cars are out, guys. I'm telling you. This is where it's at. The Rari, Lambo here, the Gucci. Incredible, huh? Car day Saturday. Yeah. Right on. Alright. You see that up there? What is that up there? Yeah? You see it? There's something up there. Ferrari. Oh, I like the color. Wow, that is very nice. Very nice, very nice. Wow. R8. So Ferrari right here with yellow brakes. Look at that. Nice, nice. Check out the Lambo. This is Instagram, you put it there. There's also another Ferrari right here. Look at that. So nice. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this right here. Look at that. Wow. Supercar Saturday. Big lines at the Louis right here. Big massive lines. Buff guy in the Lambo. Yeah, you see that guy at car shows? Big massive guy. He's like, I got my Lambo! I got my Lambo! Barely fit in it.
That guy will squish you.
Yeah, absolutely. He would destroy me. Yeah, well, it's okay. He's got his golden Lambo, so big chillin', alright? Big chillin'. Well, there you go, guys. Well, hold on, can you hear me now? Yeah, that's better. Well, there you go. That was the crazy adventure here in Rodeo with all the supercars. Saturday, top of the line. They were just out, enjoying themselves. That's how you do it, guys. Honestly, that's how you do it. When you get your supercar, make sure you pull up at Rodeo Drive and just cruise around and show it off. Busy day, busy day. A lot of people. Still there. They're still there.
I don't even know what to say to them anymore.
They just won't leave.